Hello, my kako. My name is Kaleo Ramos, and I'm on HSTA's Human and Civil Rights Committee. I've also been working as a youth advocate specifically for transgender youth of the LGBTQIA plus community for the last 15 years. In 2016, the Williams Institute ranked Hawaii as #1 in the nation for transgender people per population. 1,200 are students in our schools. It is very important for us as educators to create schools that are safe for all students, especially our transgender youth who are at higher risk for dropouts, substance abuse, and suicide attempts. Please join us this Saturday, November 13th from 9 to 11 for Transgender 101 for Educators. We'll discuss the importance of pronouns, history of mahu and transgenders in Hawaii, and how we can build strong communities that support our transgender youth. Mahalo.